As a company, as a department, as a team, do you manage your entire business via email? How many emails have you missed due to various reasons, like being on leave for a period of time, having a super busy day, and just missing that one important client email? If you only use an email as the backbone of your business, how much time do you take to provide customer-related reports on specific work items they have requested? And how far along is a specific requirement they have requested? We had a client that used to manage their entire business via email, dealing with over 10,000 unique client-facing emails in a period of a year. Imagine how much admin work is needed to create client-facing reports as well as company reports to provide accurate stats about the category of all different work items you do for the customer on behalf of the company. Imagine trying to stay on top of all those emails, providing accurate updates to the client just by using email to manage your workload and all the different work items your company provides. How does your team collaborate effectively? We have all experienced problems by managing emails properly. I, for one, am not a fan of email in the modern business workplace. The problem we face is customers primarily use email to communicate with the business. We need to cater for those customers, as well as enhance the customer experience with our business. The solution we provided was using Atlassian Jira Service Management, formerly known as Jira Service Desk. Jira Service Management is what we incorporated into this company and we used as a solution. We analyzed and set up workflows based on all the different work items that they have and created a project. Basically, a customer can send through an email, and an email will then turn into a ticket, which you can then move through the workflow into the relevant status and keep the customer informed as well as all your superiors. In the ITSM world, we deal with service requests, incidents, problems, and changes. I can drill down into each queue, go view all the open incidents, the pending incidents, and then the in progress incidents. I can view my own instance as well. All these queues be customized according to what you and your colleagues want to see. Another way a customer can create a ticket in your project is by going to the portal. With every service desk, a portal is created. This portal can be customized to however you want your view to be to the customer. In this case, we have common request computers, logins, application, and servers and infrastructure as our main requests. They can jump into that and they can get specific help based on the request we have provided for them. When they jump on, they can either request it for themselves or they can request it for another member of their organization, in their organization. You will see after I've typed in the summary, using Confluence, which is another Atlassian product, we can create a knowledge base. A knowledge base will help cut down on your workload. It will give the customers easy answers to specific IT help that they would need. In this case, the customer could open up the document, view the steps that they could perform manually themselves in order to fix the issue themselves. And even give it a vote if it was helpful or not. Moving back, obviously, if no article matches their request, they can carry on and give us and get further support. All right. When an email or request comes through either the portal or via email, it will then come into our queue. This is where the agents can go click on the specific ticket, view what it needs to happen, and push it into the necessary status. One way to help you with your reporting is, as we push the ticket through a various status, we can populate required fields for the reporting. So in this case, the operational category server change, we can put it decommission, and we'll just update the various fields that are necessary. Basically, each ticket has its own storyline, and by the time we put this ticket into resolved, all fields should be completed. This, at the end of the day, will provide you with an automatic report. Used Using dashboards and various other methodologies, this data can be auto-populated. This will give you further insight and management overview of how your company or how your team is doing. In the ticket itself, agents can create internal notes, which will only be viewed by their other colleagues, or they reply back to the customer themselves. Using SLAs, we can manage the business and make sure we get the work done for the customer in time and according to the SLAs we have set up. SLAs are customizable either via different ticket types, different uh, customer types. So if you have a more important or a customer that is on the gold service, they'll have a quicker SLA time compared to your customers that are on a silver service, for example. By incorporating the company's processes for each work item that they have, we have managed to cut down the reporting time and also cut down on the SLAs by improving processes. Once you capture the process into a system, you can always improve it through accurate reports. Also, by putting their processes all onto a cloud based system, when the pandemic hit, they were able to work from home almost immediately. So they were prepared by going onto Jira, they were prepared for any disaster of working from home. Using Jira Service Management, we're also able to collaborate with third parties that were aiding this organization in getting the job done for the customers. By using APIs, we were able to bring in information from the external systems, which would populate certain data required for reporting. In a nutshell, if you want to enhance your company and enhance the customer experience with a company, you would start using a system to better the collaboration between your colleagues and your customers. In order to streamline productivity, bottlenecks need to be found. In order to find bottlenecks, processes need to be documented and followed using a system. And this system Jira can offer you.